can you really grow a small trading account without losing it all? Today, we're comparing swing trading and day trading to find your best path. Day trading is fast-paced. You're in and out of positions within minutes or hours, aiming for quick profits from tiny price movements. Swing trading takes a step back. You hold positions for days or weeks, riding the swings in the market trend. It's about patience over speed. For small accounts, the biggest enemies aren't just the markets, they're fees and psychological pressure. Let's break down the costs. When day trading, high frequency means high fees. Commissions and slippage can easily eat 20 or 30% of a small account's gains. Swing trading slashes those costs. By trading less often, you keep more of your profit, allowing your small capital to actually work for you. Many beginners use leverage to boost small funds, but that's a double-edged sword. Spot trading in a swing style offers a much safer learning curve. Day trading requires split-second decisions. For a beginner, the emotional toll of watching every tick can lead to impulsive mistakes. Swing trading rewards patience. It gives you time to analyze, breathe, and let the market do the heavy lifting while you sleep. When you scalp, you're competing with high-frequency algorithms and pros with million-dollar tools. It's an uphill battle for a small account. A simple swing strategy focuses on the daily trend. Identify a move, set your risk, and wait. It's that simple. No staring at screens all day. Risk management is your life support. On a small account, losing 10% on one bad day trade can be devastating. Swing trading allows for safer stops. You can swing trade while keeping your day job. 30 minutes of analysis at night is often more effective than 8 hours of staring at 1-minute candles. Success isn't about one big win. It's about compounding small, consistent gains. Swing trading is the most sustainable way to grow. You don't need a Wall Street setup. A laptop, a solid charting tool, and a disciplined mind are all the tools required for swing trading success. Your time has value. If you spend 40 hours a week day trading to make $50, value your time and consider a more efficient style. The #1 killer of small accounts is overtrading. If there's no setup, don't force it. The best trade is often no trade at all. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience isn't just a virtue in trading, it's a profit-generating strategy. Good luck on your trading journey, take it one swing at a time, and I'll see you in the next video.